Good morning everyone. Today we will see the exercises of conversions in your first chapter of computer. This is practice number A, that is convert decimal numbers to binary number. Right? We all know that while converting from decimal to binary, we have to follow this process. So this is our first question, that is 68. We have converted into binary. How? We are doing the division. See, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. No remainder is there, so I have written 0. 2 17s are 34. No remainder, 0. In the same manner, we have done the process. Now we are going to write the answer. Starting from here, we will move like this, and then we will move like this. See, 1, then 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. This is the conversion in binary, as binary has a base 2. Clear? Now we will look for the second part, that is 987. We will do in the same manner. 987. We will start with 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 is there. 2 9s are 18. 2 3s are 6 and 1 is remaining. If we are going to divide 987 by 2, then 493 will be the quotient and 1 will be the remainder. Right? Now, see for the next one. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 1 is there, 2 6 are 12, 1 remainder is there. Again, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, no remainder. 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder. 2 3s are 6, but this will be 30. 2 30s are 60, 1 will be the remainder. 2 15 30, right? 0 is the remainder. 2 7s are 14, 1 is the remainder. 2 3s are 6, 1 is the remainder. 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder. And now this process gets over. Now how we are going to write? We will start from here. 1 1 1 1 1 1. Right? 1 2 3 4 1s are there. We have written. Then 0. Then 2 1s. Then 0. Then 2 1s. This is our binary conversion. Right? I'm moving fast in doing the exercises because this topic in explanation that we have done in the previous video. Right? So while doing the exercises, I am not wasting so much of time. If you didn't get my points, then you may contact it or you just look at the previous video. Clear? Now these are the two parts. Let's see for the next part. That is the third part. Third part says 657. 657. Same, we are going to divide like this. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 1 5 is there. 2 8s are 16, 1 is the remainder. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 0 is the remainder. 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 0 is the remainder. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 0 is the remainder. 2 20s are 40, 1 is the remainder. 2 10s are 20, 0 is the remainder. 2 5s are 10, 0 is the remainder. 2 2s are 4, 1 is the remainder. And 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder. Clear? Like this. So if we are going to write the answer, how we are going to write? 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is the binary conversion of 657. Right? Now if we look for the next question in your book, see, convert the binary numbers into decimal. Now what we are getting? Binary number. See, this is the binary number and we have to convert into decimal. Right? So while teaching, I had told you that converting from any number to decimal number, what we have to do? We have to just multiply with the base. See, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2, because binary number has a base 2, plus 1 into 2, like this, 1 0 1 1. Now from the right side put the power 0 1 2 3. Solve it. 1 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 0 into 4, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Because having 0 as a power, answer will be 1. 8 0 2 1. 11 is the answer. Clear? Now, just see for the next one. That is the second part. Second part, 100110. This also needs to be converted into decimal. So we have to multiply it by 2. 0 multiplied by 2, 0 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2. Right? We have to put the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Answer is 32. Here 0, 0, 2 to the 4, 2 ones are 2, 0. 32 plus 6, 38 is the answer. See how easy it is. Just for your correction or for checking purpose, I am doing it so that you can easily get what to do. Now, our C part, that is says about binary addition. Right? Binary addition. See, binary addition. 3 parts are there. We are going to solve it. 10101 added by 00111. Right? This is our first part. 1. Now 3 zeros are there. 1 2 3. 1 0 1 1 0 1. Then 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. Third part, 1 1 0 1 added by 1 0 0 1. This we have to add it. See, here there are no numbers, so we will fill it with 0. Right? This is the binary addition. Clear? Now we can see with binary subtraction also. Then at a time we are going to solve it. Right? First of all, we are writing the questions. This is for subtraction. See the questions. 3 parts are there. 1 0 0 1 1. Then 0 1 0 1 0. Right? Just see to it. Addition. See, 1 1 10 1. Then 1 1 10. So simple. 1 plus 1 10. 0 1 will be here. 1 1 1 10. 1 3 ones will be added. 11 1 1. Right? 1 1 0 0 1. Solve. 1 plus 1 10 0 1. 1 plus 1 10. 1 plus 1 11. 1 1. See, this is how we are going to do binary addition. These are the solutions for your exercises given at the back of your chapter. Right? So, just practice it and complete it in your notebooks. Clear? We will discuss subtraction in the next video. Thank you.